What's up, everybody? What's poppin'? XG. I checked out the coconut one, and where did I put it? Is it on Twitch? Or I know I reacted to it. It was fire. Coconut and JURIA, because this one is HINATA, JURIA, and CHISA. The last one, the first one was Maya and Harvey. XG really is that group. Shout out to Simon and shout out to Chancellor, by the way. It speaks for itself, like the talent that that is being displayed by them. I'm just here for the ride. I'm just a watcher. I'm a bystander. I'm a witness to see this greatness. Without further ado, let's check out HINATA, JURIA, and CHISA. By the way, my bias is HINATA. So, hi. What's poppin'? Anyways, enough talking. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Alright. Glee Club, or XG Club, or XGLEE Club. Let's get it. I mean, they're gonna sing basically. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, whoa. Hold on. Why did it start there? Okay, let's go. So bad. Ooh, the hair though on her. Ooh, you serving, Miss Ma'am. Let's go.
The Filipino was too stunned to speak.
I have been hypnotized. Oh my god. I did not know what to say. I was just watching. You just do you. My goodness. Them stairs be hitting different. I don't know. You vibing?
You gonna make me act up.
I gotta stop. Yeah? I like this shot though. Simple. It's in New York, right? I think. Or is this Korea? But they serving. She's serving. Let's go, bias. Yo, hype it up. Claps. I don't know if you can hear that. Never mind. Oh, the remix though. Oh. Okay, JURIA. I love these like long, elongated like walkways, or like I don't know how else to explain it. Like just following, singing to the camera. What's there, a car behind it? Ooh, makeup's on point too. Outfit too. Ooh. Was that is this Japan? Oh, wait, where are we? You better sing. Oh, yes, Miss Ma'am. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Nope, you didn't. Damn. Ooh. Oh, you gonna leave us like this? Oh no, she coming out with the humming. That's not me. Ooh, okay, CHISA with the rock with you. That gave me chills. Hey, little MJ, Michael Jackson. Hey, yes, CHISA, you better stare. Hey, get it. Girl, close your eyes. I love it. Into you. Don't try. What can you do, girl? Just take a deep breath and groove with my. Do you feel it? Boogie woogie woogie. Beat of love. I love the song. Simone. Nope. I can't hit that. No scrubs. Basically, they said that like this was their inspiration for like girl group like TLC, which I mess with a heavy. No. No. They look so cool. I don't want no. I was like a remix version, right? Hey, 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 hey. Get no love from me. Ah, ah, holla at me. I can't wait for their comeback. But I love that they're doing these stuff. They're making some point too. Fire. XG. Everything I do it A1. Flawless. As they do. Damn. XG. You already know. What do I say? XG's XG. They killing it. And that's it. That's the video. They killing it. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Share this with XG. Why not? XG that grew for me, I feel. That's crazy. Anyways, it's your boy Jerry. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.